This man shares his wife with his best friend.
Patrice is a generous man. So generous, he arranged for his wife Kavira to have sexual relations with his best friend. This all began a year after Patrice and Kavira got married. After months of attempting to conceive, Patrice and Kavira felt that their marriage was stagnant. They wanted kids, but it seemed there was a problem. Firstly, Kavira suggested that her husband, Patrice, should sleep with other women, in which he did, but still, there were no kids. Then, they decided to go to a doctor, who informed them that Patrice is infertile. This did not hinder the couple's dream of having children, as Patrice arranged for his best friend to impregnate his wife. Initially, it was difficult persuading two parties, but eventually they came around, and now they have 3 kids.
The wife has made sure that she does not